Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I have a big mess going already. I've already done a bunch of paintings. This is my redo of part 1 from my silicone tests, because I forgot to make an X in the cup, and that's what I did with all of the others. So I should give it the proper scientific test. All right, so I'm going to put 2 drops of the On Treadmill Oil. Give it a mix. And find one more clean cup. Okay, I've already laid down my base coat just to save some time. Starting with white in the cup. These are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts straight Floetrol, and thinned with my 90-10 water, 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. Hopefully you saw that. Did you see that? I can't tell if you saw that or not. That. So we will do the same order. First blue. The consistency that I am working with is when you drizzle your paint off of the stick, it forms a mound. That was Cobalt Blue by Liquitex Basics. This is Quinacridone Magenta, also Liquitex Basics. Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, also Liquitex Basics. The white is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And then white, more white to top off the cup, fill it up. Don't forget the X. This one. Doesn't seem like it would do much, but it do. This is a 6x6 canvas, but the sides are the deep edge, so you need to take into account your edges, because when you add up the square inches of these sides, it actually is the same as the surface. Okay, let's lift it. I see bubbles. Let's get rid of those. It's a lot of paint, so we need to tilt some off. I know it's pretty as it is, but you cannot have that much paint. Okay, I'm going to scrape these drips. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for a bit and do its thing, and I will bring you in for a close-up. Alrighty, here it is in all its cellular glory. Let's see what the sides look like. Alright, so we will revisit all of these paintings when they are dry to see what kind of residue is left on the surface by the silicones. Okay, here they are all dried. These two are the treadmill oil, and you can see there is a lot of shiny there. Lots of oil there, and this one wasn't quite as bad, but there is definitely oil. You can see it like around this area. This is the Hask argan oil, and I only see one spot right there. That's it. The cleanup on this is really, really good. Easy, I should say. And usually, these funky cells don't usually happen. That's the first time I've ever seen that using the Hask. Here is the 3-in-1 silicone. Not too bad. It's not a whole lot there. Sitting on top just a little bit. These funky cells, never seen those before. It's never really done that amoeba-like blob of cells. But I think that might have to do with the yellow. As you know, the cadmium yellow light hue is the magic cell maker. Partially because yellow pigments are so big. I think they push other paints around, kind of like bullies or something. And here is the OGX coconut milk hair serum. And there is quite a bit sitting on top, even though there was only one tiny drop. There's lots of it sitting on top, and this stuff is really not fun to clean, but it does make great cells. So, you know, there's always a trade-off. Alright, so there it is, all the dried pieces. I'll show you this crazy skin I got. I did do a little bit extra paint on each of these because I was going for skins. I need it for pendants, but I got some really nice sections in there. Amazing all the colors you can make with just primaries. So I'm gonna have to peel that up and get to making some jewelry. Okay, that's it for me. I have a gig to get to. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something through this process, going through all these silicones, and I hope that it helped you to make some decisions if you were unsure about which to use. Coming up, I have a bunch of new paints. Ooh, gonna have some fun. Yeah, that's some color shift in there. We're gonna have some color shift. So please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Be sure to check out the description box below for links to my PayPal, tip jar, the Amazon store, where anything that you purchase through the Amazon store, I will receive a commission of at no extra cost to you. Our group Go Make Some Art, do check that out. The link will be in the description box. And a link to my website, which I will have paintings up soon, just not yet. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Go Make Some Art.